Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Zoe here if you're new, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how I go from this to this. I know, but she's real freaking cute. So we're going to do a full-blown tutorial today just so I can teach you guys how to do faux butterfly locks at home. I'm so excited because I have done this style at least 2 times before, and every time I do it I get so many freaking compliments and everybody's always so surprised that I do it myself. So I'm going to teach you how to do a little one too, okay? So let's get into it because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so just to show you guys what you're going to need, this is the type of hair that I got. It is the Bobby Boss Passion Twist boho hair. But I was struggling finding my color. We're going a little bit darker. We're going brown instead of like this obviously gingerish auburn, and it came in a 3-pack. So I got 2 packs of this. If you're getting the single packs, I usually get around 7 of them. And then you're also going to need some rubber bands and a crochet needle. I think total the hair came to like $50, which is not too bad, especially if I'm doing it by myself. And then I also did get some jewels for my hair. I don't know if I'm actually gonna put them in there. And just like a tip before you get started, I do always wash and blow dry my hair before I get started. I also do deep condition right before I do this, just so that my hair is as healthy as possible. And I'm gonna put some hair oil in my hair before I actually start the lock process. And one thing about me, y'all, I literally suck at parting my own hair. My brain literally does not understand the logic of holding up a mirror and parting it yourself. So I'm about to get my sister to part my hair for me. So the hair is parted. Honestly, am I crazy? Is this kind of a look? She's giving left eye.
Okay, so let's actually get into the tutorial on how to do these locks. You're going to need 3 pieces of hair per lock. You want to start off by braiding down your natural hair in each section. This is really important so that your hair does not get tangled up into the lock as you're doing it. And this first round, I'm just going to do a general overview, and then we're going to get close-ups and slow-mo so y'all can really get it. But to start off, we are going to crochet the piece of hair through the section. You want to make sure that there is one long side and one short side. The longer side is going to act as a base for the lock, so you want to make sure that it comes down to exactly where you want it to stop on your body. I did waist length, but you can do shorter or longer. And then to start off, you want to take the shorter piece of hair and wrap it around the long piece and the braid. It doesn't have to be perfect because it is going to be covered by 2 more pieces of hair, but you do want to make sure that it's tight because this is your base that everything else is going to hold onto. You then want to crochet 1 more piece of hair through, and this time you want to do the same short long method, but this time you're going to be using the long one to wrap around the short one in the pre-existing wraparound lock that you have going on. It sounds a little confusing, but just this time, instead of wrapping around the short section, you're going to wrap around the long section. There is a very specific way that you need to wrap around if you want to get that like textured bubble look. I'm going to talk about in just a second when we do the close-ups, but you essentially want to wrap that all the way down, and you're going to do the same with the 3rd strand. Okay, so we're here with the close-up. This is how you crochet. So you want to stick the needle right in between the rubber band and your scalp so that it goes all the way through. You then want to hook the hair on and just drag it through, and that's how you crochet. It is a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it is super easy. And then, like I said before, you're going to wrap the shorter strand around the braid and the long strand, but you're just going to wrap that around as tight as possible, you guys. And you want to wrap it all the way down until you don't have any more short hair left. Okay, and now to crochet section number 2. Here is a close-up of what I was talking about with the loops. So essentially, as you're twisting it around, you want to put your index finger down and wrap the hair over your index finger twice. After that, you can wrap it around the bottom section of the lock like you normally would. This way, when you pull out your finger, it kind of gives like a looped effect on the braid, which kind of gives it texture. I'm going to do it one more time just so y'all can see a little bit closer again, but this is vital if you want like that curly butterfly texture. And for the 3rd strand, you do not have to crochet it through, but what you are going to do is you're going to do the same short long method, and you're going to take the short side and just wrap it around in regular circles. And then once you run out of short hair, you're going to take the longer side and wrap it around the opposite way. This is going to lock the short end in, and it kind of just locks it onto your hair so that you don't have to keep crocheting it through. And then as you guys can see, we are doing the bubble method again. So remember, 2 wraps around your pointer finger and then keep wrapping it around the actual lock. Once you do about 2 to 3 wraparounds normally, then you can take your finger out and then it creates that little bubble effect. Wrap it all the way down to the bottom. And I didn't show it on video, so apologies for that, but to lock in each section of the hair, you just want to basically tie it in a knot at the bottom. And then did the rest of my head. I didn't film the whole thing because I didn't have too much storage on my camera, but we're about to show you the final look.
Alright, you guys, so this is the final results. This took me 7 hours, you guys. I think I officially started at like 6, and I didn't end up finishing until I think 12:54 a.m. So your girl was working, okay? We was putting in the overtime. I honestly did them like way longer than I normally do, like damn near past my butt. This basically was one whole pack. I only had to use maybe like 3 or 4 strands out of the other one. So I literally have hair for days. I'm probably gonna redo this style at some point down the line. So honestly, you really don't need a lot of hair for this. I feel like the hair was already pretty thick because it was passion twist. It almost came in like a 2-in-1 situation. So you know the vibes. But I hope this video helps somebody out there, okay? This is your sign that if you were trying to do your own braids, locks, whatever, just try it out. There's a bunch of tutorials. I literally learned how to do this from a YouTube tutorial and have been doing it ever since. Like, if you do not want to spend your top dollar on getting your hair braided, babe, try it out yourself. Like, I promise you, it's not that hard. And once you get the hang of it, you're gonna be like, oh my God, this is so easy. It takes time, but like, I feel like it's so worth it. So I definitely would suggest, if you guys have any other questions, definitely pop them down below. If I missed anything or if you guys are confused on how to do anything, let your girl know. But overall, I absolutely love it. I think she's so cute. And yes, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I'm probably gonna do like a hairstyle tutorial on different hairstyles that you guys could do with these. So if y'all want that, let me know. But yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video. And yes, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.